he's up at the...
Yes! Yay!
Okay, here we go. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh! He tricked you.
Crack of dawn, putting those big boots on, pulling those cat...
He said I got you on that one.
Oh!
Yay! Okay. Yeah.
Yay!
You did it! You did it!
That was nice, Liz. Good job.
That was spectacular. That was Olympic quality.
Come on, Artie! Go, Artie! Oh!
Oh, that's okay.
Look, you're gonna do it.
Already threw a trick in there. That was fantastic.
Okay, here comes rolling. Oh, here we go. Yay!
Nice, nice. Okay, here goes Mr. Lee.
Okay, here comes rolling. Can he do it? Come on, rolling! Yay!
Calves in the snow has left him tied. There's tension in the air as he thinks of the critters out there. The grazing's gone, the winter has hit him hard. Cowboy, great American cowboy, big high boots, Stetson hat, and a leather vest. Cowboy, great American cowboy, with a horse and a rope and a gun, he tamed the West. Well, he's up at the crack of dawn, putting those woolies on. The wind's so cold, the chills are running down his back. The cattle ranges froze, and every little doggy knows he's an angel of mercy mounted on a horse's back. Cowboy, great American cowboy, big high boots, Stetson hat, and a leather vest. Cowboy, great American cowboy, with a horse and a rope and a gun, he tamed the West. Well, he's up at the crack of dawn, cinching that saddle on, storming hard and things are looking mighty grim. There's a long ride ahead that day, chopping ice and a eating hay, 'cause he knows every critter's life depends on him. Cowboy, great American cowboy, big high boots, Stetson hat, and a leather vest. There's cowboy, great American cowboy, with a horse and a rope and a gun, he tamed the West. Well, he's up at the crack of dawn, putting that bacon on. Winter is past and the skies are clear and blue. There's springtime everywhere and the
And so last year, I showed you my brands. You would take the brand and you'd put it in the fire, which we don't actually have a fire going because we don't want to burn anything down. Yeah. But you would put the brand in the fire. That's propane. It's a propane heater. That's how I do it now. You can heat it in the fire, but this is easier. Okay? So I'm going to brand a piece of wood for you. Just to show you, this is my brand.
There's springtime everywhere, and the doggies are a frolicking there. And he's thanking the Lord once more for a seeing him through.
I'm going to throw it on the ground. Of course, I brand this way, so so this is what it would do. You hold the brand down for about 5 seconds or so, and you're looking for the metal not to be red hot, but to be gray. So I'm letting this cool a little bit because I want it to be grayish, not red hot. Red hot, you'll give him a third-degree burn.
Tell anybody that I wear pants. My first time.
Did you already tell him what that brand means? You probably did.
No.
Oh.
Married and married, that is true.
Sorry for the smoke.
That's all right.
So this brand, what it means is, see, there's a horseshoe shape. So I like horses. I love horses. And the 7, that's God's number. So there you go.
So it's a shoe 7, a horse 7. I like the horses 7.
If you want, you know, I don't really believe in luck.
Uh-huh.
Luck is where opportunity meets preparation, right? But you would call this the lucky 7
Okay.
because the horseshoe's up, which means the luck hasn't fallen out.
Uh-huh.
Luck and then 7, lucky 7.
Lucky 7.
7 brand.
Okay.
I didn't actually want this brand originally, but it was the brand that was available. The one I wanted was 2 bars on the side. This one was the only one available. This one was available. The other one
At least
wasn't.
it's good.
Through cowboy, great American cowboy. Big high boots, Stetson hat, and a leather hat.
And this is how, like, if Mr. Buller, he's a camper and he goes camping. This is one of the things that he would keep with him in his backpack to help keep him warm. There's other stuff that goes along to help keep this going, to get it started, to get things started. Like if you were at a campfire.
Yeah, that was invented about the turn of the century.
This was
About the
Best cowboy, great American cowboy. With a horse and a rope and a gun, he tamed the West. Well, he's up at the crack of dawn, putting that Stetson on, heading for the daddy of them all to celebrate. Well, he busts out of that chute, riding that wild galoot, smiling and a-rolling his own as he counts to 8. Cowboy, great American cowboy. Big high boots, Stetson hat, and a leather vest. Best cowboy, great American cowboy. With a horse and a rope and a gun, he tamed the West. With a horse and a rope and a gun, he tamed the West. With a horse and a rope and a gun, he tamed the West. Cowboy, cowboy. The cowboy lifts the dogie from its bed of snow, its mother frozen, lost to winter's arms. The dogie lifted high and dry above the saddle swells, wrapped securely in the cowboy's arms. Cowboy rough, cowboy tough, cowboy tender, seemed it's always been the cowboy way. Cowboy rough, cowboy tough, cowboy tender, maybe that's why he's a hero still today. A cowboy, if he's real, will always show he cares when family, friends, and critters are in need. He's right as rain and rhyme, and he's right there every time, 'cause loyalty is still the cowboy's creed. Cowboy rough, cowboy tough, cowboy tender, seems it's always been the cowboy way. Cowboy rough, cowboy tough, cowboy tender, maybe that's why he's a hero still today. Try and lift your spirit when it's cold and low. He's taught to do just what he